As an entrepreneur, your job is to be aggressive in your pursuit of new sources of passive revenue. You don't want to work more than 50 hours a week, and in order to maintain your work-life balance, you need new ways to generate revenue that don't require as much of your time. With news of a possible recession looming, you should be concerned about finding new ways to bring in money. That is why we are here to discuss some recession-proof passive income sources that you should think about. Alright, at this point let's dive into recession-proof passive income avenues. First avenue could be investing in self-storage facilities. If you have the capital and are trying to start a new business, we recommend looking into investing in self-storage facilities. Because recessions may force people to sell their homes, downsize, or temporarily relocate, investing in self-storage facilities could be both a solid investment and a source of passive income. You can invest in self-storage facilities in a variety of ways, including purchasing your own facility, or investing in specialists that already operate a large portfolio of self-storage facilities. The next recession-proof passive income we suggest is to rent out demanding items. Looking around your house to see what you have that other people want to rent is one method to create a passive income stream. If you have the funds, we recommend that you explore acquiring an item that is in high demand to rent. During a recession, people undertake more of their own chores that require specific equipment and materials. As an example, consider a utility trailer. Your investment will be roughly $2,000 and you will be allowed to post a photo of the trailer on your Facebook profile, as well as signage indicating that it is available for rent. Adding a van, tools, garden equipment, tents, and athletic goods to this could be a good example for a larger inventory. You can list items that you want to rent to others on a variety of websites, and every time the item is booked, you get to pocket the cash. Our third recession-proof passive income avenue is to build a real estate portfolio. Real estate is a tax-advantaged passive income stream that we recommend adopting in the event of a recession. Term rents and leases generate passive income that is recession-proof and has a low link to market volatility. While owning real estate may necessitate some active management to ensure high occupancy and property upkeep, you can also consider investing in dividend-generating REITs as another way to make passive income. The next recession-proof passive income avenue is self-published books that we will recommend. If you enjoy writing or have always wanted to write a book, we suggest self-publishing books is an excellent method to earn passive income during a recession. Everyone has a book idea, don't you? Once you've decided what you want to write about, it's not only simple to self-publish the book, but you can also price it low enough that a recession won't affect people's decision to buy it. While becoming a best-selling self-published author is difficult, we believe that publishing your book and putting it on a book retailer's e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, Apple Books, or Barnes & Noble will provide you with traffic from people searching for books on a daily basis, as opposed to simply writing blog posts on your own website. Authors may make $1,000 per month selling their own works, according to a self-publishing reference website. Our last say on recession-proof passive is opening a savings account. While creating a savings account won't net you thousands of dollars in passive income each month unless you have a lot of money to set aside, because interest rates are rising. And while the national average interest rate for savings accounts is 0.1%, you may be able to acquire a rate higher than 1.5% at an online bank. Furthermore, if you can lock up funds for a bit longer, say 1 or 5 years, in a certificate of deposit, you may find rates lingering around 2.5%. We hope these recession-proof passive income avenues gives you an insight to starting something. Please be honest to like and subscribe for more contents like this.